So hey everyone, welcome back to another quick and very interesting tutorial, where in this quick tutorial I'm going to show you how you can make screenshots look 3D in Premiere Pro, the effects that you have been seen on top YouTubers videos. Now in order to do it, let's say for example this video is my screenshot uh, timeline. Now drag and drop to over there. Now in the effects panel, search for effects panel right there. Go to the effects panel and here you need to search for basic 3D right there. Here you can see under the perspective section, you'll notice this option of basic 3D. Now drag and drop to the video clip and here click on effects control again. And once you scroll down, you'll see this option of basic 3D. Now you can tilt it as ever wherever you want in different directions. Here you can see, now you can see it has started to moving in 3D directions right there. So you can make it look more even more attractive. Alright, so that's it for this tutorial. I hope this video will be helpful for you. Make sure to hit the like button and subscribe button for more such helpful and interesting tutorials. See you in the next one. Take care.